everyone, welcome to our show Walk the Talk. So we have a very special guest here, Aditya. Welcome, Aditya.
Thank you.
So today we are going to talk on the topic, should companies prioritize profit or purpose? So my first question to you will be that why is purpose important for a company?
So, like for a company, the main objective is to drive for a purpose. Like the CEO or the individual at the top level basically has a certain point like he want to achieve in his life. So he basically is purpose driven, and eventually the environment he wants to create for his employees is also purpose driven. So basically, if you can say if an employee has a purpose himself, he will be eager to work, eager to come to office, will happily do after it is not a good habit to work after your working hours, but still he will try to put some extra effort and achieve something good or like work extra. So basically, purpose is the main key that drives the company as well as the employees to create certain good or like to move forward in life.
So why should company focus on profit?
So profit, as we know, is another aspect of a life, or we can say the basic need is money. So if your company is not able to make money, then what's the point in our work? Like, what's the point for a company? So like, for example, you can say there are pretty big firms, for example, Tata Group. So they basically, what they do is like, they never fire their employees, and they always try to give increments and incentives to their employees. So basically, this type of structure basically helps them to be more purposeful, and eventually being purposeful, they can generate their profits, and so eventually the profit is generated, so they can divide among their employees or whatever they want to do with their personal things as well.
Why is purpose-driven companies focus on profit?
So talking about purpose-driven companies, like the primary objective of the company is to obviously have a certain purpose in their life or company, and like if a company is purpose-driven, so they have a high amount of employees, because employees also feel like they are a part of something and they want to contribute to the welfare of the society, as you know, giving back to the society basically. So to work there, like as we all know, we have basic necessities, so we want money. So companies also try to generate some revenue from that activities, so that they can eventually support the families of the employees that are working for them.
Do you think that employees really care about profit or for purpose?
Okay, so according to me, like employees can be divided into two categories: profit driven and like purpose driven. So basically, like it's a human nature for us to to have a purpose in life, to be a part of something or to work for something. For example, like you can say during the COVID days, people were dying literally. So the pharmaceutical companies, they were all packed up and working hard. So the employees that were working there were basically, you can say, they were basically testing the medicines and trying the new like combinations and all. So they were like working night and day. So in that scenario, it's purely purpose driven, because they wanted to save lives and wanted to do something good for the community and give it back, and like obviously they had their loved ones, so definitely they wanted to save lives.
Can you give us another example of this?
Okay, purpose driven companies, like you can say purpose driven, we have like two categories: external and internal. External, we all know, like to save humanity and all that stuff, like the COVID example. Secondary is the internal purpose. For example, like companies like Adobe, Google, Microsoft, what do? Is that they basically want to build a relationship with their the employees. So they basically provide them free meals, free gym, and they can punch in and punch out anytime they want. So this basically create a sense of belongingness among the employee, and so basically this creates a purpose, like they have to give it back to the company itself, because the company is doing so much for them and providing such facilities for them as well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.